Hi, this is Kavita Kapoor Khalsa, and we're doing expose on marriage or no marriage. And there I am, waiting for my partner to join me online so that we can talk about something that you would like to listen to or may not be interested. That's okay. So I'm just looking at my guest list, waiting for some time. So normally we do a Zoom live, but after 3 episodes, we do a recap of those episodes that have gone past so that we can have a discussion which is live. And you can type in your questions, you can ask questions, and if you would like to know anything, you can. And there we have Radhika Parmar, who is there with me. Hi,
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm awesome.
How does it get better than this? Yes.
Hi people, we are here. This is episode number 23 on marriage or no marriage. We have Kavita Kapoor Khalsa, and today we're going to do a recap on three topics. Like, first one is partner in consciousness. I'd like to explain a little bit. When you are doing access consciousness, and if you have a partner who is not into access consciousness, so this topic is about that. And So, Kavita, could you talk about if there is a person who has a partner who is not into access consciousness, or even for general people, like, say, for example, if person A likes yoga and if their partner doesn't like yoga or likes dancing, then what is the solution for them?
So first wanted to say, hey Kanika, thank you for joining in. And just wanted to say that it's not about just being into consciousness, it's about being in allowance. So when we talk about couples and we talk about relationships, the only problem is we are not in allowance of ourselves and hence we are not in allowance of the other person. So for example, अगर तुमको yoga करना है, that's your liking. You force the other person कि नहीं, you must like yoga. Like, I mean, I'm a yoga freak, okay? I mean, I would like to do yoga more than I would like to go to the gym. And my husband is the person who would like to go to the gym and not do yoga at all. So, what else could you bring onto the table that, there's a buffet lying around and you can pick and choose anything and coexist and co create? So, what fun would that be? Where you could allow the other person to be who they are and you get to be who you are. And that's what exactly what Ina Basur, certified facilitator with Access Consciousness, spoke about. That it's not about what I would like to do. It's not about what they would like to do. It's about what we could create together. So when you get the energy from doing what you would like to do, you can contribute to the other person and have fun together.
That is so
So
beautiful.
it is. So for example, you know how to swim, right? I don't know how to swim. So while you go for swimming, I can go for dancing. And then when we come back with our rejuvenated energies, we could just have more fun with that
Yeah,
revitalized energy. So that's the whole thing.
that is so cool, man. That's nice. And what would you tell people um, who are like in a strained, in a uh, rigid relationship where they're not able to have their own choices and they're not able to be there for others' choices?
Oh, that begins with yourself, right? If you're not willing to have a choice for yourself, you will not be able to give it to somebody else. You have to be with access. We are always in a question and not in a conclusion. We're not in a judgment. So, and कितना आसान है बोलना, oh, don't judge the other person. लेकिन access makes it very simple, very easy that you can get out of judgment and have more fun in your life without judgment. Like you're not judging yourself कि मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया, and neither are you judging the other person कि उसने गलत कर दिया. What if it's not about गलत or सही? What if it's not about right or wrong? What is it? What if it's just simply a choice that the other person is making? For example, if I don't drink and my husband drinks, that doesn't make him wrong or make me right. And if you're holding on to the rightness of your point of view, you will always have a messed up relationship. And Gary and Dr. Dane always talk about this thing that you can either be happy or you can be free. Unfortunately, we do not wish to have freedom. We would like to have the rightness of our point of view and prove it to the other person till they die that मैं सही थी और तुम गलत.
Wow, that's deep and that's so profound.
Yeah.
So moving on to the next topic. The topic is called moving base, and we are going to do a recap of that.
Yeah, Eva Pandit from Seattle. She had joined us for this episode, and if you haven't, please go and watch in our watch list because it's amazing. She was amazing facilitator. And yeah, continue.
Yeah, so I'll explain the topic. This topic is about transfers. It's about change of location, start over, second chances. Say, for example, if you are in India and you have to relocate yourself in USA, or maybe you have to start your life in Germany. These are a few of the examples. So, Kavita, could you tell me, uh, there are many people who have jobs where they have to relocate themselves.
Yeah.
What can they do to have ease with it?
Trust me, Access Consciousness has certain tools which makes it very easy and have lot more ease in your life. Because the same thing happened with me when I shifted to London for at least 8-9 months. And I used all practical tools I could use with Access, and so that I could have more ease with the shift and the new location that So it's basically, how does it get better than this, or all of life comes to me with ease, joy, glory, or everything is just an interesting point of view. So वो करते 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 you start having ease with those kind of the newness. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है कि जब हम अब चेंज को एम्ब्रेस नहीं करते हैं, बड़ी दिक्कत होती है जब हम चेंज को ही अक्नॉलेज नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड चेंज भी ऐसा कि सी वी आर देसी पीपल, वी आर इंडियन, वी आर एशियंस. यहाँ से उठ के आप किसी फॉरेन कंट्री में उठ के चले जाओ तो चैलेंजेस वहाँ के बहुत सारे होंगे, जैसे लैंग्वेज है, लोगों से बात नहीं करना, दोस्त नहीं पता आपको, लोकेशंस नहीं पता है कि किस बारे में आप कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे, नया जॉब है कैसे उसमें सिंक इन होगे. अच्छा, इंडियन रुपी से डॉलर्स में आ जाता है सब कुछ या पाउंड्स में, तो एवरीथिंग यू जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली कैलकुलेटिंग, बिकॉज वहां से हम जहां से आए हैं वो तो हमारे अंदर ही है, राइट. तो दैट बिकम्स अ चैलेंज. एंड जब तक आप उसको खुल के एम्ब्रेस नहीं करना चाहोगे, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई भी चेंज पॉसिबल है. सो वो चेंज को लाने के लिए ये सारे टूल्स हैं, ये बार्स हैं, बॉडी प्रोसेसेस हैं, आपका बॉडी इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा उसके साथ. एंड आई वुड ओनली सजेस्ट कि इफ यू काइंड ऑफ हैव दीज टूल्स हैंडी, एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल.
Nice. That's so cool. आप ये एक्सेस करते रहते हैं, ये एक्सेस क्या है, थोड़ा वो भी बता दीजिए.
एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस वो है जो आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो अपने कॉन्शियसनेस को, जो कि व्हाट इज ट्रू फॉर यू. आप क्या चाहते हो, आपकी सच्चाई क्या है, ये मेरे शब्दों में मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. और एक सेट ऑफ टूल्स एंड प्रोसेसेस हैं, वर्बल टूल्स हैं, हैंड्स ऑन प्रोसेसेस हैं, वर्बल प्रोसेसेस हैं. जब जैसे हम उसको करते हैं ना, मैजिक क्रिएट होता है. किसी भी सिचुएशन में आप हो, आप वहां से लिमिटेशन से पॉसिबिलिटी की तरफ चले जाते हो, और लाइफ में बहुत आनंद ही आनंद आने लगता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट एक्सेस को तो जितना मैं शब्दों में समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे, उससे बेटर है कि यू कम एंड एक्सपीरियंस द चेंज एंड द जॉय इट कैन ब्रिंग टू योर लाइफ. तो मेरी जिंदगी पिछले बहुत मैजिकल है, क्योंकि पिछले 7 सालों में जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो जानते हैं कि आप जाके मेरा पेज ही देख लो यार, मैं क्या थी और मैं क्या बन गई हूँ. सो एक्सेस कीजिए.
That is so magical and so cool. People, if you are listening to this, please check out Access Consciousness. And if you wish to talk to Kavita, please book an appointment. Coming to our third topic, we are doing a recap of another topic as well. It's called Big Fat Wedding Not Working Out.
Yeah.
And I'll explain this. If you had a wedding and now it's not working out, or you already paid for it and you don't see yourself in the relationship anymore. So what next? this topic is all about this. Kavita, would you like to talk more on this topic, please?
So Prerna Wadhwa, amazing facilitator from Mumbai, she spoke about this, and she's like, she's just brilliant with the way she's handled her own marriage, with the way things have changed in her life, and how हमारे अंदर एक करेज नहीं होता है अपने माँ बाप को जाके ये बोलने का कि यू नो इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट, बिकॉज एक तरह के इन्वेस्टमेंट है, आपने शादी में किया है, बहुत सारा चीज है, और आप हर जान लगा देते हो कि आप ये मैरिज को वर्कआउट कर लो, और वो नहीं होती है. क्या ये आपका फेलियर है? क्या आप अपने आप को रॉन्गनेस में ले जाते हो? क्या आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हो? नहीं, बिकॉज what if it's not your mistake? What if you did not have to make yourself wrong for things not working out? And what if it's just a simple choice कि ठीक है ये नहीं है, कुछ और ले लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं है. आसान है कहना, लेकिन even Prerna had her own struggles, but with Access she also vouches like you know life कैसे बहुत आसान हो जाती है, और वो हार्ट ब्रेक से उभरना बहुत आसान हो जाता है.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Like whether it is a big fat wedding or a slim small wedding, what would you like to tell people who have lost their courage to fight and just step up and just move out or take a divorce or just
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम अपने आप को ही वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं, हम अपने आप को ही वैल्यू नहीं, मान्यता नहीं देते हैं. अगर हम अपने आप को वैल्यू करने लग जाएंगे तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि करेज की जरूरत है. खुद का ऑनर एंड खुद का ट्रस्ट, खुद का अलाउंस में जब हम आ जाते हैं, खुद के लिए हम जब ग्रैटिट्यूड रखते हैं, मेरे नहीं ख्याल से कि हम तब अपने आप को छोटा समझेंगे. और वो करेज कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाता है कि जब यहाँ तक आ जाती है ना, तब आप बोलते हो बस अब और नहीं हो पाएगा. और वो मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ, एक्सेस से वो सारी दबी हुई जो आपकी एनर्जी है ना, वो बाहर आ जाती है. जो आप थे, जो आप हमेशा से जानते हो कि आप हो, वो कहीं ना कहीं वो आ जाता है. इट्स लाइक यू नो कैलेमिटी में से बाहर निकाल देता है वो आपको.
And I remember like Prerna talked about being vulnerable, how she could communicate with her father, and she came from a conservative family. And so what would you tell people who are on the verge of coming out to their loved ones about their real stuff that's going on inside them? Yeah.
So the only thing is trust yourself, even if nobody is standing by you. You stand by yourself. Let the world, and world will follow, because when you stand by yourself, world will honor you, that you have the courage and the vulnerability to be who you are. So it's not about the other person, it is about you. Are you the most valuable person in your own life? If not, then choose you first.
So I'm getting what you're trying to say. You are saying that we need to choose ourselves first. We need to keep ourselves priority.
Yes.
Rather than making other people greater,
important and greater. Yes, everything about that.
To other people's point of views and what other people will feel or how they might not be able to adjust with it.
Totally. It's about you. It's not about them.
So what would you tell people who are confused about this topic? Like they don't know how to make themselves more important.
Book a session. I would suggest that. Book a session, come, because it is इतनी गहरी प्राइवेट बात होती है ना कि लोग बोल नहीं पाते. So पर्सनली पहले अपने आप को वैल्यू करें और उसमें से बाहर आने की कोशिश करें, और जानें कि आपके पास चॉइस है, और अपने आप को चॉइसलेस यूनिवर्स में ना डालें.
People, if you're listening, re-listen to this sentence. Choiceless universe में ना डालें.
Yes.
I think we can end on this note.
Yeah, we can, because next week हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और एक फैसिलिटेटर होंगे जो इस एक नए विषय के बारे में बात करेंगे, एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में, जो कि आपको मैरिज और नो मैरिज के पर्सपेक्टिव को और ओपन अप करके देगा.
That will be awesome. I look forward to it.
Yes, me too. Thank you so much, and thank you people who've been watching it. Thank you so much. Bye. See you.